Brad Williams, XL Prime. If we enter an operator that is within a SUMIF function that is not in parentheses, we'll get an error. That's what we'll discuss here briefly. Here we have just a series of numbers in a range, B5 to B8. We have the range and then the SUMIF. I'm just making this simple. I'm not gonna elaborate or detail much on this. This is just a quick example. We have a SUMIF with just two arguments. We have B5 and then the number 3. And what we're asking is in range B5 to B7, add up any number that shows up as 3. So here we have in range B5 to B7, we have 3, 3, and 3. And in the SUMIF function, it adds up to only 6. So what's the problem? Two things here. 3, as I've said in the past, left represents text. Keep that in mind. And SUMIF will only add up numbers. If we want to use a greater than or equal to within our SUMIF function, rule number 1 is to set a condition equal to a number or cell reference, don't use an equal sign or any double quotes. If we have non-equal comparisons to a number, put both the operator and the number in double quotes. So here we have a greater than or equal to 50, and we need to put that in quotes as we show here. If the number is greater than 50, add it, otherwise not. We're going to add 65 and 51, and we get 116. Just some simple rules to follow when you're doing SUMIF in most lookup conditions. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.